Watumishi wa umma wametishia kupunguza zana kwa kucheleweshwa kwa mishahara yao, na iwapo ikifika mwezi Juni kama hawatakuwa wamelipwa mishahara yao vile inatakikana, wametishia kwenda katika maandamano.
When you look at the revenue collection in this country, the way Uhuru left, we have not realized any decrease in revenue collection in this country. The government of William Ruto does not have reason at all to delay payment of workers in this country. What I know as a member of parliament in this country, the problem with this government, Ruto and his team managed to be in the leadership of this country and they were not prepared to lead this country. So allocation of resources is a big challenge to the administration of Ruto. That's why we are suffering in this country. These people are on looting spree. And if we don't stop them, I can tell you this country is going to stall. When you look at what's happening currently, the revenue we are collecting in this country is portioned in areas which are easy to eat. That's why the workers cannot get their pay. But as a trade unionist, I want to pass this message very clear to the government. Come July, if there is no plan to improve allowances and salaries of workers in this country, let them prepare for mega strikes. We are not going to work in this country as maids. We are paid the way they think. We must demand for our pay and money be allocated commensurate to the work we are doing in this country. Now you talk about university professors. Today we are burying a professor and his friend is testifying here that he died empty. Why? Because of poor payment and poor pension and poor medical scheme in retirement. We want people who have sacrificed their lives in this country and work for people of Kenya. When you retire with dignity. You go home in a place where you can afford your own medication. Most retirees are suffering in this country because when you retire, it's like you are abandoned. During the time you are working, they milked you. When you leave the service, these people should ensure that when you retire, you get a medical scheme which can keep you in that retirement. But if that one is not there, then come July, we as leaders of workers in this country, we must unite and say one thing. The retirees of this country must be respected. And the only respect we can give people who have retired is good medical cover and pension which can